So I'm no longer employed by Coins. So due to restructuring, I was let go from the Coins team. It's been a tough pill to swallow because over the last 8 months, I've come to meet these amazing people and see them more as friends rather than colleagues. The last 8 months was full of ups and downs, we had fun times and then we have tough times as well. But most importantly, everyone that I worked with very closely knew what needs to be done. So we're all committed towards building up the Coins brand and not just cruising along at work. And it was building Coins and not just simply building something. So we'll focus on building it so Coins becomes the app that our users from the Philippines will think of when they want to move into the Web3 universe or interact with the metaverse or even use their crypto to pay for stuff. So moving forward, I will not lie, it will probably be difficult to find employment in such an environment right now, but those good times at Coins will be something I'll think of when the going gets tough. But if anyone has a recommendation for employment, I'm open to taking up the offer to see what's available. So I will not be on the company's Slack channel anymore, but you can reach me via my YouTube channel where you are watching this video right now, and I'll leave my email in the description of this video as well so that we can connect. To those that I've worked with very closely, thanks for being great colleagues. You make the tough times much easier to handle. So this isn't goodbye, but more like a I will see you again or I'll see you soon. If you guys miss me, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so I'll pop up onto your phone whenever I post a new video.